Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can find and recover deleted listing in Facebook Marketplace. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's start. So to do that, first thing first, open up your Facebook app right over here. And then once your app has been opened, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead go to the section of Marketplace right over here. Now as you can see, we are in the marketplace, and now the concern regarding the finding and recovering the deleted listings. So I'm gonna let you through the Facebook's part. So Facebook Marketplace unfortunately does not offer a way to directly recover it. So once the listing has been deleted, it's permanently removed from the platform entirely. And there is no trash can or recycle bin for Marketplace on Facebook, so you cannot go there and retrieve the deleted file. So what you can do is you can simply go ahead, check your messenger if you have sent them a message, or you can check your activity log to find any information regarding that listing. Other than that, there is nothing you can do about it. So that's basically it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.